Well, it's been 2 years since we last did a video log, but it's not for want of work. Over the last 2 years, clearly we've had the pandemic, which thankfully we're starting to emerge from now. But most of the work that's taken place has been things that visually you can't really see much about them. So it's been the installation of the engine, the wiring of the engine, the final wiring of the avionics, things that don't make the aircraft look particularly different, but are actually critical for that first flight. Today is a hugely exciting day for us. You can see the smile on my face and we haven't even started yet. Today is all about getting that engine running for the first time. We did a lot of preparatory work on it last weekend to make sure compressions were good, to make sure that the starter motor worked, the propeller turned over nice and freely. And today is about getting everything together with a spark, with some fuel, ignition in those cylinders to get it running for the first time. Now there will be some issues that we have to resolve. The magneto timings may not be perfect. It may not be fueling properly at the very beginning, but once we've just freed that engine up a little bit, bearing in mind it's brand new, it has never run, this will be a really good day hearing that run for the first time. I think it's fantastic. There are some issues that we need to work on. The magneto timings, as we thought, may be an issue. We need to get that resolved. One of the cylinder head temperatures was slightly high, but we managed to get that down a bit after we worked out what the issue with the magnetos were. And the magnetos are basically a distributor. There are two of them, so each cylinder has two spark plugs, so you get a nice smooth burn pattern within the cylinder of the fuel and air mix. We think one of the magnetos is slightly out of time, so that burn pattern is not as smooth as it may well be. It's just been absolutely fantastic. The smiles on our faces have just got broader and broader as the day's gone on. And we know that things are just going to get better. Once we've got the magneto timing issue sorted out, it's just going to go from good to even better. And hopefully, first flight, the aircraft should be ready for it. Paperwork pending within the next month or so.